sanapinda mashoko anobuda nyogwa panapa tikunoti aiwa anenge ari kupreza VP Constantino Chiwenga noti bo subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Timira pahendo X ayana mchazvireka amudanyira achiti CGD and Chiwenga's journey began in the liberation struggle where he served with the distinction as a commander in the Zimbabwe African National Liberation Army, ZANLA. His leadership during the Liberation War was instrumental in securing Zimbabwe's independence, earning him respect as a fearless and strategic leader. Following independence, retired General Chiwenga continued to serve the nation, rising through the ranks to become the commander of the Zimbabwean Defense Forces. His tenure was marked by a commitment to national and security stability, ensuring that the armed forces remained a cornerstone of Zimbabwe's sovereignty. In 2017, retired General Constantino Chiwenga emerged as a key figure in the transition that ushered in the Second Republic. His leadership during this period demonstrated his dedication to principles of constitutionalism and the will of the people. The peaceful nature of his transition underscored his ability to navigate complex political landscapes with tact and foresight. As Vice President, Constantino Chiwenga has taken on multiple portfolios, including serving as Minister of Health and Child Care. His efforts in this role is focused on improving healthcare infrastructure, addressing public healthcare challenges, and ensuring access to quality medical services for all Zimbabweans. His leadership during the COVID-19 pandemic showcased his resilience and commitment to safeguarding the nation's well-being. Chiwenga's vision for Zimbabwe is one of unity, progress, and prosperity. His emphasis on economic development, infrastructure growth, and social cohesion reflects his belief in a brighter future for all Zimbabweans. His ability to inspire and lead by example continues to make him a central figure in the nation's journey towards greatness. 2028 Good Office. Thomas Kanobuda Nyongo panapa ni wana warukupreza aiwa VP Constantino Chiwenga ni mapictures amurikona arutendera pa social media. Tuze mafunguro enyu muri kudipa msoro pichitu kwenye comment section medu. Muzi mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like. So turn on the bell icon.